Welcome to my channel, PeekAboo-AI Surveillance, where I go over many different ways AI is being used for video and audio surveillance. If you're new here, please subscribe so you do not miss out on any news or information you might want to know about. For my returning subscribers, welcome back and enjoy the tutorial. Imagine a city where the sound of shattering glass or a distant crash instantly alerts authorities, not through cameras, but through AI listening. Today, we're diving deep into the cutting-edge world of acoustic AI surveillance, exploring how algorithms can pinpoint urban threats like gunshots and collisions using only sound. Could this be the future of smart city safety? And what ethical lines might be crossed to get there? Acoustic AI surveillance is a technology that uses artificial intelligence to analyze sounds captured by microphones. It automatically detects, classifies, and interprets events in real time. This allows for proactive monitoring in everything from public safety to industrial maintenance and even healthcare. It's all about algorithmic precision, from telling the difference between a car backfiring and a gunshot to pinpointing the exact location of a sound. So, how does it all work? First, you need acoustic sensors or microphones to capture sound from the environment. Next, AI algorithms, trained on huge datasets of sounds, learn to recognize specific acoustic signatures. The raw audio data is then processed, often turned into visual images called spectrograms, which the AI models can analyze more easily. Finally, the system performs real-time analysis, often right on the device itself to reduce lag. When it detects an anomaly, it sends an immediate alert to human operators. The applications for this technology are incredibly diverse. In smart cities, it can detect critical incidents like gunshots, breaking glass, or screams for help, enabling much faster emergency response times. In healthcare, it can monitor patients' sounds, like coughs or breathing patterns, to track respiratory conditions or sleep disorders without being intrusive. For industrial settings, it can identify early-stage faults in machinery by analyzing their unique operational sounds, helping to prevent costly failures and scheduled maintenance more effectively. It's also a powerful tool for environmental and biodiversity monitoring. By classifying animal sounds like bird calls or marine mammal vocalizations, scientists can monitor species, assess the health of an ecosystem, and support conservation efforts. Even in our smart homes, it can detect security threats like footsteps or breaking glass. In commercial spaces, it could be used to create adaptive acoustic environments through intelligent noise cancellation and sound masking. Looking ahead to 2026 and beyond, what's next for acoustic AI? Think beyond cities to critical infrastructure and public transportation. While this technology is powerful, it raises significant ethical questions. Where do we draw the line between safety and constant surveillance? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for taking the time to check out this tutorial. Any relevant links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on important AI surveillance information. Be sure to check out the other videos that will be floating around at the end for similar content. And don't forget, PeekAboo-AI sees you.